What is the slope of line K? Select all that apply. So in order to find slope, we know that we must rise. So if I want to go from point D to point C to find the slope of this line, I must rise and then run. Okay? So we know that slope, which is M, equals, let's count. I went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So let's just write for our notes, up 5. And then I went 1, 2, 3, 4 units right. So let's just write right 4. Okay. This is equal to, if we think about going up 5 units, this is actually equal to the length of segment CG. And if we think about going right 4, this is equal to the length of segment DG. Okay? That is why we can say the slope of this line is equal to CG over DG. Therefore, the first answer choice is correct. We can also eliminate the third answer choice because it says CG over BF. So if we look at CG over BF, this isn't even rise over run. Those are both rises, so we can eliminate this one. Then we can also think about our next triangle. For our next triangle, we have, let me go ahead and erase some of this. Okay. So for our next triangle, we have, we can go from point D, so we can rise up to here, and then we can run this way. Okay, so we can say that M, which is our slope, is equal to going up 10 over right 8. And so that means that if we think about going up 10, that is the length of segment BF. And then if we think about going right 8, that is the same length as segment DF. So we can say that the slope of this line is equal to BF over DF. Okay? As a result, we know that this is a solution. Well, if BF over DF is a solution, then we know that DF over BF, which is the reciprocal, is not a solution. Okay? Also, if CG over DG is a solution, that means that the reciprocal DG over CG is not a solution. We also know that DG over DF, which is DG, which is a horizontal segment, over another horizontal segment, DF, is also not possible in terms of being the solution. It has to be a vertical leg of the triangle over a horizontal leg of the triangle. So right here, we can see that CG is a vertical leg of triangle DCG, and we can see that DG is a horizontal leg of triangle DCG. Therefore, this slope actually makes sense. And also, right here, we can see that BF is a vertical leg of triangle DBF. So it's a vertical leg over the horizontal leg of the triangle. We can see that DF is the horizontal. It's always going to be vertical leg of the triangle over horizontal leg of the triangle when you are using slope triangles to find the slope of a line.